Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to upload widescreen videos in full screen mode for TikTok. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So TikTok have now started testing full screen mode on its app, and now you can take part by uploading videos which can be turned into full screen. So let me show you how to upload videos which you can turn into full screen. So the videos which can be turned into full screen needs to be recorded in landscape mode. So when they appear on your phone in the portrait mode, you'll see two black bars just at the top and at the bottom. So there are two ways you can upload a horizontal video on TikTok. So the first method is by pressing the upload button here and then selecting the video, tap next. And as you can see, you've got two black bars, so you've got at the top and you've got the bottom, and as you can see, this video was filmed horizontally. Now the other way of uploading a horizontal video is by filming through TikTok's video recording screen. So go ahead and tap on the plus sign here. You'll come into TikTok's recording screen, turn the phone around, now record your video. Now once you've recorded on that, go ahead and tap on this down arrow to get more options. Then tap on adjust clip. Now this will open up your TikTok's timeline editor. Select the video and rotate it. Rotate it so it appears in a portrait mode, and you'll have two black bars which will appear at the top and at the bottom. Now go ahead and tap on save. And as you can see, these kind of videos can now be turned into full screen. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on next and then post it on TikTok. So that is how to upload widescreen videos for TikTok so users can view them in full screen mode. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.